What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today I have something really small, and that's the TP-Link Bluetooth 4.0 Nano USB adapter UB400. A very long name for a small piece of technique. And it's a really cheap thing. It's 10 euros, but I thought I made a quick video about it because maybe some people wanna inform themselves before they buy this if it really works or not. So what's the purpose of this thing? I don't have a Bluetooth module in my computer, so I needed to upgrade, and then there was the question, is there something, a quick solution without opening the PC and something like that. Went on Amazon, found this thing for around 10 euros or $10, 10 pounds, wherever you live. It will be around in that price range. So I thought I'd buy it, and I tried because I want to hook up my Apple AirPods to my PC when I'm doing my live streams. You can check them out, the link is in the description. So I would say we have a quick look around this box. There's some information there. It's a Bluetooth 4.0 adapter, as I said, compatible with Windows, and then you have a 3-year warranty. And you can see TP-Link Germany here, so you can connect it to your laptop or to your PC via USB, and then you are able to connect gamepads, printers, headphones, speakers, whatever has Bluetooth. I think you get it. So I would say we have a little look inside the box if I find it to open. Okay, I need to get my knife and I'll be right back. All right, got my knife, so we can open this here now and have a look inside the box. Okay, let's get this out. Get the box out of the way. We have a quick installation guide for whoever needs that. Some more paperwork, and then we have get this out somehow here. Another manual for Windows, and then if we remove this sticky part here, we can take out the Bluetooth adapter, and as you see, it looks like a little USB stick or whatever. I think it will not be real gold for that price. Yeah, it says Bluetooth up there, and that's basically everything. It's like a little USB stick or something you get with your USB mice or something like that. And I would say I hooked this up to my PC right now, and I'll be right back and show you how it works and if it works instantly or whatever. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm on my PC now, and I plugged the USB Bluetooth dongle into my PC, and let's see if we can find it. Let's say we want to add a new Bluetooth device, and as we can see, it's obviously already working plug and play. So I will get my AirPods out and I will try to pair them with them. So I'm pushing the button on the AirPods right now and putting them into pairing mode. So now the LED is flashing fast on the AirPods. Let's see if we can find them, and I assume it's them. Okay, yeah, now it switched to green AirPods, so we see I can connect the AirPods to my PC now, and boom, your device is ready to go. So guys, I guess this will be kind of a short video after the quick unboxing, and the pairing of the AirPods was successfully really quick. Yeah, it's a plug and play device, not much more to say. You plug it into your USB port. In my case, I plugged it into a USB 3.0 port, and boom, you go to your Bluetooth settings in Windows and it's ready to use. There's not much more to say, so it's easy. It's a cheap solution if you don't have Bluetooth in your PC, or if it's not working anymore, or if you want to upgrade your laptop or whatever you want to do with it. Yeah, not much to say. Plug and play, cheap. It's around 10 euros, and it works instantly. You don't have to install anything. So I would say that's it for this video. If you enjoyed what you've seen, if that helped you, leave a like, hit the subscribe and bell button so you get notified about all my upcoming videos here on my channel. And for now, thanks for watching and see you next time.